Hi guys, I bought some things which first of all I needed a punch. I couldn't get a punch with 3 holes for this planner which I have, which is my business card sized task cards planner, which I love. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. But as long as I don't have this punch, I didn't want to use those task lists in plastic pouches or plastic pockets. I didn't like that system. That's why I got another folder, which is this one, and it only has 2 rings, so like that I could buy a real normal punch with 2 holes, which is great because you can get them in every stationery shop, and I normally try to buy things in a shop in the village where I am at, because I'm not at my home address normally, so sometimes, but normally not. And yeah, I need scissors. But that was too fast for me. My nerves. I'm sorry if I shocked you. I'm so sorry. And now this. Okay. So A4. German sizes are a bit different. With us, it's about letter size. It's A4. And I also didn't like that I had all the possible tasks on here, but normally I don't. Oh, I will show you a card so that you know what I mean. So on my task card there are all the steps I have to take, all the tasks that are connected to one video and ebook in one language. This is German, English, French, Spanish, Italian and Russian. Same video, same ebook. But I don't want to take this out all the time and mark what I have done and then put it back. It's annoying. So I decided I only wanted to mark it in the end, then put a custom photo sticker on it and put it in there as being completed. But yeah, what I wanted to show you, for example here, well, I did the doc, but I couldn't do the Kindle. I tried to download it from Google Docs as EPUB, but then it only gave me 1 page out of 10 or 20, and so now I tried to download it as .doc, and now I have to find out how to export it as EPUB. I don't know if it's possible on my MacBook or if I have to use an online tool or something. Yeah, but as I can't just do one task after the other because I have already done some in the middle, I can't use that list that is like as if I hadn't done anything. So I made it different. I put now only, and I will show you, I will flip the camera. And first I will punch this. And then I will flip the camera. I have printed out, or I let in, it was not a real copy shop, it was more where do you normally print out books? So they normally print books, but here are no copy shops, so they said they can print out those things for me, no problem, 8 euros. And yeah, now I will flip the camera. So this is now my daily planner. So one page is one day. It says plan for today, day and date, morning routine, time, activity, and remarks, whatever, notes. And then the times here, so that's my morning routine times, about more or less. I have to get up and go to a parking lot with good internet. I have a live on 365 steps German each morning at 8, and I have to plan the next one for the next day. After that I may drink coffee in a cafeteria and do my social media post and put my photos in my hiking guide, and then send my shorts or whatever to, yeah, send my shorts from the iPad to the iPhone and upload them. Then maybe walk a bit and do grocery shopping, sugar-free. Then have some breakfast. Smoothie, fruits, quark, yogurt, nuts and seeds. Then deep work and appointments. So when not interrupted, then it's really deep work from 10 to 5, but normally it's interrupted by many things. As for example another walk or lessons, doctor's appointments, meeting with family or friends. But normally I should have deep work from 10 to 5 and do my frogs. I'm referring to the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy, which is in my Amazon affiliate link, like all my other favorite products, and it's always the first link in every description. And my frogs are for my two channels, Polyglot Mona and Polyglot Parkit Love It. Those are the channels to learn languages with interesting content. Polyglot Mona, every video separately in 6 languages, but the same video. And then Polyglot Parkit Love It is bilingual videos, and each video exists in 30 different bilingual combinations. And the audios for those are being made by native speakers. So, evening routine, time, activity and notes. So at 5 I start to prepare for my group lesson. It's a live lesson on Polyglot Parkit Love It. Each week there is on Monday German, on Tuesday English, on Wednesday French, on Thursday Spanish, on Friday Italian, and on Saturday Russian. And it's mostly for beginners, but also for advanced learners. Yeah. And then on Sunday I either have a live on Mona's SUV Reisen, which is my German channel about my life in my car, or on Polyglot Mona, that's a live in 6 languages. Then I watch a video on Skillshare. I have a Skillshare link, and you get $50 off your first order, and you can learn a lot on Skillshare, like design or business related things like project planning or planning in a whole, or design I already said, storytelling, writing, lots of good, well, they are not lessons, they are courses. And then I added a video for Mona's SUV Reisen and one for Park It Where You Love It. And then I go to my parking lot where I want to stay overnight, and I have a small walk and go bathing in a river, and then I try to meditate, and then I journal, and then I read, and then I sleep. And well, I write down which frog tasks I did, and then when I'm in the end of a card, I will mark everything on the card. So this stays here until everything is done, and I may throw them away. Then this is for the next day. So each day the same table. So what do you think about that? I think it's great. I love it. Oh, that's the alarm clock for my life. So I have to stop now. I wish you a wonderful evening, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.